Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, all of you. So, analytical writing was clear to all of you yesterday. Hello. Do you want to explain it? Do you want me to explain it once again? Hello.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
एनालिटिकल पैरा
एक बार फिर ठीक है एक एक दिन फिर
Yes, ma'am.
again once again I will explain it with more examples. It is a new thing. uh,
Ma'am,
मैम वो पाई चार्ट वाला मैम समझ नहीं आया.
मैम
pie
डिड यू
chart
गिव एनी होमवर्क यस्टरडे
pardon, what did
good
you
morning, ma'am.
huh? Advait, you asked something?
मैम डिड यू गिव एनी होमवर्क यस्टरडे
No, I did not give any homework. I'll send homework today. Um, you can practice one or two graphs that I will send today. Okay. These kind of questions are asked in the English when you if you want to take admission in the foreign universities. Then there is one IELTS test. So these kind of questions are asked in this. Of course, there it is not of 5 marks, but it is just so that the students. There it is of 10 marks. Like if you want to take admission in any foreign university in future, you will get these kind of questions. So okay. So today we will do this poem. It is from the book First Flight. From the book First Flight. This is the third poem, I think. Okay, so this is a humorous poem. What do you mean by humorous? Uh-huh. What is the meaning of
मैम funny.
huh?
Funny.
Yes, humorous means funny, something that makes us laugh. So this is a humorous poem. Suggests some dangerous ways to identify or tell, as the title of the poem. It is how to tell wild animals. Tell means what? How to identify. आप किस वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को कैसे पहचानोगे, कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स से? तो so what are the characteristics that will help you to identify the wild animals that we will study in this poem?
His figure.
हाँ, क्या हिमांशु?
Ma'am,
हाँ बोल.
ma'am, his figure.
Yes, the figure, physical characteristics, as well as physical appearance, as well as some characteristics also. So if ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance means if an animal comes towards you, huh? Come towards
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हारे तरफ अगर suppose you go to the forest of the east and you see that an animal is coming towards you, a large and tawny beast. So what is the meaning of tawny? Tawny means
Ma'am, yellowish color.
yellowish brown. So tawny is the color, yellowish brown color. So if you are going to the jungles of the east and then you see a yellowish brown color animal, if you see a yellowish brown color animal coming towards you, Tony, uh, if he roars at you as you are dying, so here dying actually means dying. So in the poems there may be some spelling errors that is done to make the words rhyme, and it is permitted in the poem. So that is called poetic license. Means in the poem you can change the spellings to make it rhyme. That is permitted. So here also dying actually means dying. So if he roars at you as you are dying means what? If he frightens you to death, if he frightens you so much that you feel that you will die, so to death. So if he roars at you as you are dying, what does it mean? If he roars at you in such a way that you are frightened to death, you are so frightened that you feel you'll die, uh, you know it is the Asian lion. So then you can identify that this animal is the Asian lion. So what are the characteristics of the Asian lion? It is huge, it is yellowish brown in color, and it roars at you in a very terrifying and frightening way. Uh, so these are the characteristics that help you identify the Asiatic lion. It is brownish yellow in color, it is very big in size, and it roars in a very, very terrifying manner. It frightens you to death. You are very scared to hear the roaring sound of the lion. Then you can identify that this animal is the Asian lion, as you can see in the picture, the Asian lion. Or if sometime when roaming around, roaming means what? Moving here and there, moving aimlessly. यहाँ वहाँ भटकना. A noble wild beast greets you. Now, noble, the poet uses the word noble for the tiger because he belongs to the royal family. So he belongs to the royal family. He is called the noble tiger. Wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground. See here how the poet has used the humor.
Yes.
Ah, the tiger is greeting you. The tiger never greets anyone. Tiger just aims to kill you, harm you. So the the poet is humorous over here. The noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground. So the tiger has black stripes on the yellow ground. Yellow ground here means the background of the skin.
Ma'am, the body color.
हाँ, the background of the skin. तो टाइगर का जो बैकग्राउंड है वो येलो होता है और उस पे ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स होते हैं. So the background of the skin with black stripes on a yellow ground. Just notice if he eats you. Here also the poet is being humorous. कौन रुकेगा देखने के लिए कि वो मुझे खाता है कि नहीं. Just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. Discern matlab distinguish. So what are the characteristics that will help you to distinguish the Bengal tiger? So the Bengal tiger has a yellow background, it has black stripes on the body, and when the lion he sees you, he roars loudly. But what about the tiger? The tiger will not roar loudly, it will just greet you. ऐसा लगेगा the tiger is greeting you, but the tiger wants to eat you. Just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn. So the Bengal tiger will not warn you. It will not produce any sound to warn you. It will just simply come near you and attacks quietly. So these are the characteristics that will help you to identify the Bengal tiger. Yellow background, black stripes, and it will not give you any warning. It will simply uh, come and attack you. So these are the qualities which will help you to distinguish the Bengal tiger. Then we come to the next animal. It is, you can see this animal. If strolling forth, strolling means walking, walking at an easy pace, आराम से चलना. So
मैम दबे पाँव.
दबे पाँव नहीं, दबे पाँव तो वो क्रीप होता है, बिना आवाज किए आराम से चलते हैं ना, वॉक करते हैं, एकदम कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है, तो दैट इज स्ट्रॉलिंग.
मदमस्त चाल में चलना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वही आराम से चलना. इफ स्ट्रॉलिंग फोर्थ, फोर्थ मीन्स फॉरवर्ड, आगे. A beast you view, if you're walking forward and you see a animal, so you are walking at a very very easy pace, very slowly, and then you see an animal whose hide with spots is peppered. So here hide has a different meaning. Here hide means the animal's skin. देखो इंग्लिश में contextual meaning होता है. Same word has different meanings in different used in different places.
मैम एक हाइड मतलब छुपना.
इसीलिए तो बोल रहे हैं, एक हाइड मतलब छुपना होता है, लेकिन हाइड मतलब एनिमल्स whose hide with spots is peppered means black spots. Peppered means black spots. ब्लैक पेपर होता ना, काला, तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज compared to peppers. So if you see an animal and the animal has black spots in its on its body, with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, leapt means jump. तो leopard का क्या characteristic है? When the leopard will see the prey, the victim, immediately it will jump. So that is the characteristic of the leopard, that it has black spots on its body, and as soon as it will see the victim, the prey, it will jump. You will know it is the leopard. So leopard immediately jumps on the prey. It will do no good to roar with pain. So it will do good no it will do no good to roar with pain means what? The leopard
Yes,
will
ma'am.
not leave you if you roar with pain. The leopard has no sympathy for you. No sympathy. तुम कितना भी दर्द से करा हो, leopard is not going to leave you. It will do no good to roar with pain. So how much ever you cry, how much ever you shout, the leopard is not going to leave you. It will do no good to roar with pain. He'll only leap and leap again. He will keep on attacking and attacking again. So the leopard, of course, no animals have sympathy for the human beings. They are his food. So, but the leopard is the most unkind one. How much ever you cry in pain, कितना भी तुम दर्द से करा हो, leopard जो है वो तुम्हें छोड़ने वाला नहीं है. He will keep on attacking and attacking again. So leap and leap again. So it will keep on jumping and attacking on you again. So these are the characteristics of the leopard. It has the spots throughout the body. On the skin, it has the black spots throughout the body, and the leopard, as soon as it will see the victim, it will jump on it. So the lion roars when it sees the victim. All the animals have little, they vary a little bit in the way the attack. Like the lion, it roars, it frightens the victim to death. But the tiger, it simply,
Roaming around the victim.
yes, the tigers simply attacks. And here the leopard also immediately jumps on its victim. So the leopard immediately, as soon as it will see you, it will just jump on you. And how much ever you cry, how much ever you roar with pain, the leopard is not going to leave you. The leopard is a very cruel animal. So now we come to our next animal. So if when you're walking round your yard, yard means open space outside, you meet a creature there who hugs you very, very hard. Hugs means embraces, gale lagana. So the bear have a very strange way of killing the victim. How does the bear kill the victim? The bear just hugs the victim very, very hard. Huh? So the bear embraces you, but it is not a loving embrace. It is not hugging you because it loves you. That is the way of killing the victim. The beggar, the bear just holds you very, very tightly and tightly and tightly, and you suffocate to death. So that is the way the bear kills you. It just hugs you very, very hard and keeps on hugging you hard and hard, and it squeezes your body like anything, and then you suffocate to death. Be sure it is a bear. So bears have a very strange way of killing their victim, very, very different. It will not attack on you. It will just hold you tightly and tightly and tightly, and then it will kill you. So if you have any doubts, I guess he will just give you one more caress. Caress means touch lovingly. So actually it is not a loving touch. So here again the poet is being humorous. The the bear will keep on embracing you, but that is not the loving touch. He will give you just one more loving touch. So the poet here is being humorous. It is not actually a loving touch. So here is the irony. Huh? So it the poet is ironical here. It is not at all a loving touch. He is just killing the victim. So bears have a very strange way of killing their victim. They just squeeze the body hard and hard and kill them. So then we come to our next animal. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, a novice might nonplus. Novice means uh, an inexperienced person. Inexperienced person. Or nonplus means get confused, puzzled, confused. अब जो एक इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन है, जिसे एनिमल्स पहचानना नहीं आता है, वो तो इतने सारे जानवर को जंगल में देख के कंफ्यूज कर जाएगा कौन सा जानवर कौन सा है. So though to distinguish beasts of prey, so an inexperienced person who does not know much about animals, that person will get very confused uh, to identify the animals. The crocodile you always may tell from the hyena thus. What is the characteristic that will distinguish the crocodile from the hyenas? So hyenas come with merry smiles. How do the hyena attack with the victim? With smiles. So hyenas are very strange animals. They will smile at you, but that smile is not a loving smile. That is the way they attack the victim. So hyenas come with merry smiles. So how do the hyenas attack their victim? They attack their victims by smiling. But if they weep, they are crocodiles. And crocodiles are different. What do? They weep while eating their prey. But it is not a genuine weeping. That is their characteristics. कहते हैं ना crocodile tears, मगरमच्छ के आंसू. Have you heard it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes,
क्यों
ma'am.
कहते हैं मगरमच्छ के आंसू? मगरमच्छ
I'm fake.
बोलो. Why do we
I'm
say?
fake.
Okay, Aditya, tell. Aditya.
Ma'am, because it is fake.
Yes, very good. It is those are fake tears. The crocodile is eating its victim and it is crying. But is it crying because it has sympathy for the victim? Not at all. It is just the its characteristic. वो बस उसका एक कैरेक्टर ट्रेट है. हाँ, वो बिल्कुल भी दुखी नहीं है किसी भी जानवर को या आदमी को खाते समय. That is why we say crocodile tears, false tears, fake tears. तो crocodile जो है वो आंसू बहाता है अपने विक्टिम को खाते समय, लेकिन वो दुख का आंसू नहीं होता है. So weep. So hyenas and crocodiles are just contrast, opposite. Hyenas attack their victims uh, while they are smiling, and the crocodile attacks the and kills its victim and it keeps on crying. But those are just fake and false tears. They don't have any sympathy or they feel anything for the victim. Now we come to our last animal, the true chameleon. Have you heard of the chameleon? पढ़े हो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
chameleon? Kaushal, what is
Girgit.
chameleon? बता.
Ma'am, Girgit.
Girgit. Yes. A chameleon is a lizard that changes its color to merge with its surroundings. You know, all the animals, they have uh, some adaptation to save themselves. Uh, Nature gives animals some character traits so that they can save animals, like the deer. The deer can run very fast. uh, so chameleon also has a special quality. And what is that? They change their
Change
color.
their color.
Yes, the chameleon change their color according to the surroundings. So what happens? They merge with the surroundings, they mix with the surroundings. जैसे अगर वो पेड़ पे जाके बैठेगा तो उसका रंग जो है वो पेड़ के ट्रंक जैसा हो जाएगा, और लीफ पे जाके बैठेगा तो वो हरा रंग का हो जाएगा. So it is very difficult to spot a chameleon. Why? Because it becomes the same color as its surroundings. So it's very difficult to spot it and kill it. So the true, that is why अगर कोई बार बार अपना ये कैरेक्टर बदलता है तो उसको कहते हैं ना गिरगिट के तरह रंग बदलना. बार बार कोई बदल जाए, a person who is not original. So the true chameleon is small. So chameleon is very small in size, a lizard sort of thing, as you can see in the picture. It resembles a lizard. एकदम lizard के तरह ही दिखता है. He hasn't any ears at all. You can see in the picture, the chameleon has no ears. A lizard sort of thing. He hasn't any ears at all and not a single wing. So the chameleon does not have any wing also. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. So you may think that there is nothing on the tree, but then the chameleon is sitting on the tree. You are just not able to see the chameleon because it is the same color as its surroundings. So the chameleon has this special quality of changing its color according to its surroundings and then merge with it. So it is very difficult to see a chameleon. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द ट्री, आप पेड़ पर देखो और लगे कि कुछ नहीं है, तो जरूर कैमेलियन वहां बैठा हुआ है. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. So these are the glossary. uh, Background. Ground means background. I told you, background of the skin. Discern matlab make out, identify. Then hide animal skin बताए थे. Covered with spots, peppered. Covered with spots. Caress, gentle, loving touch. Caress, gentle. The bear, how does it kill its victim? By the gentle and loving touch. Okay. Then novice. Novice is someone new to a job. That's an inexperienced person, new to a job. Non-plus, puzzled, confused. Meanings I've already told you. So, okay. So, Ananya, what are the characteristics that will help you identify a lion? Batao. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
batao. What are the characteristics?
Yes.
Ma'am, a lion have yellowish brown color and it is very huge in size
Yes.
and he roars to frightens you.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good, Ananya. Okay. Okay, Advit, what are the characteristics that will help you identify a tiger?
Roaming in the jungle and he will suddenly attack on you.
Okay. Yes. The the tiger will not give you any warning like the lion. It will just attack on you. And what about its physical characteristics?
And he has stripes on his body,
Mm,
black stripes.
yes. Yellow background and black stripes. Anuj, what are the characteristics that will help you identify a leopard? Anuj? Anuj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
What are the characteristics that will help you identify a leopard?
A leopard will keep attacking and attacking on you without no warning.
Yes, the leopard will keep on attacking you without any warning. And how much ever
Ma'am,
you, bolo,
ma'am,
bolo,
what is the meaning of syndication?
what is the meaning of
Syndication.
syndication? कौन सा ये इस
Yes.
poem में है?
No, ma'am. I found it in a story, but I can't understand.
Tell me the spelling.
Syndicat. Syndicate.
ये वर्ड तो मुझे भी नहीं पता है, कौन सा स्टोरी में मिला था?
Ma'am, it's let me tell you.
हाँ,
WordPress for Dummies. Not a story, but a book.
it's a new word for me too. I also don't know.
Yes.
Ma'am, I Google it, but I can't understand the meaning on Google.
गूगल पे भी नहीं मिला.
मैम
I
मिल गया,
found it.
गूगल पे मिल गया, बट मीनिंग नहीं समझ में आया गूगल पे सेंटेंस का.
अच्छा अच्छा, तुम
Ma'am, syndicate mean
क्या what
hello. Ma'am, it means a group of people or organization to promote a common interest. It's on Google.
अच्छा, ग्रुप ऑफ मतलब एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो एक कॉमन चीज को प्रमोट करते हो, जो एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो किसी चीज को फेवर करते हो, ये होगा.
मैम प्लीज गिव मी सम एग्जांपल्स.
some example means like uh, there are a certain group of people who favor a particular politician, so that is the syndicate. या कुछ लोग जो है वो डाउरी के खिलाफ हैं तो वो सिंडिकेट हो गया. So okay, so okay, so what are the characteristics that will help you identify a bear? Himanshu?
Ma'am, it will. He hugs you,
Yes.
and he.
He will touch you lovingly, but it is just a false touch.
Yes.
Okay, Kishan, how will you identify a hyena and a crocodile? Kishan, can you hear me? Kishan Tenji? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you identify a hyena and a crocodile?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Aditya.
Ma'am, hyena with merry smiles.
Okay, hyena attacks its victim with a smile on its face. What about the crocodile?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, crocodile attack
weep.
on victim, but he always keep crying.
Yes, the crocodile attacks on its victim and it keeps on crying, but those are false tears. They weep, but
मगरमच्छ के आंसू.
मगरमच्छ के आंसू फेमस है.
मगरमच्छ.
Then what are the characteristics of a chameleon? Avnit? Ambesh? Ambesh, you want to answer?
Ma'am,
हाँ आदित्य बोलो. चलो आंसर करो आदित्य.
ma'am, chameleon is very
Ma'am,
small
chameleon
in
is-
size.
The two Aditya.
Ma'am, chameleon is a very short animal.
Chameleon is a very short animal.
स्मॉल एनिमल. और क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है? बस वो छोटा, और भी तो है.
Ma'am, he hasn't
Ma'am,
any
he
ears.
always changes his color
Yes, the camel.
according to the surrounding.
It can
Surrounding.
change
And
its
he
color.
hasn't any ear.
It can have many.
And chameleon is without ear.
Very small, no ears, no wings, and keeps on changing
And
its
scared
color.
of human.
Looks like a lizard.
Ma'am, scared of human.
Yes, yes, Dhruv, scared of the human being. Okay. Okay, so your homework is to do the question answers of this chapter. I will also send one question related to what I taught yesterday, analytical writing. So you can practice, and one more class I will take and explain it once again. We can deal with some different questions like line graph and pie chart. So one bar graph I discussed, line graph and pie chart also we'll discuss separately.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bye all.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Good day, ma'am.
But you keep on writing the question answers in the copy,
Yes, ma'am.
because this time the lockdown is not going to continue for long. पिछले बार के तरह नहीं पूरा साल जाएगा. Once the
लेकिन मैं बाहर रहा आप
Ma'am, exam होगा.
मैम केस तो बढ़ रहा है.
केस तो बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन वैक्सीनेशन भी तो पैरेलल चल रहा है ना. Vaccination is also continuing parallelly. So
But there is scarcity.
Ma'am,
what
but the result is.
Advit, क्या?
Ma'am, there is shortage of vaccine.
Yes, shortage of vaccine is there, but Russia also has started sending, and government will certainly do something. enough. So, vaccination once
Oxygen crisis.
ऑक्सीजन क्राइसिस तो है, स्थिति बहुत सीरियस है. So it's better all of you don't move out of your house. And take care. Okay. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
And
Good
keep
day, ma'am.
attending the classes regularly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye all of you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.